Hey, we have a door. And it even closes. Hey guys and gals, welcome back to Road Trip Garage. Today I am super excited because, let me find my bit, I am going to attempt to put doors on the truck. This might be a bad idea. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we're going to see if we can hang these bad boys. I don't know if we'll get them all wired and connected, but my goal is to try to attempt to at least get them on the truck, because we're making some pretty fantastic progress, and I want to see the doors on. I kind of need to see the doors on. So, without further ado, I'm going to set you guys down over here inside the luxury of the car. I got to drill out this brass bushing first. Let's see if I can. Oh, you're not even watching. So this bushing needs to come out. And it's pretty old and tight. So I'm just trying to drill it out. But I don't want to go too far because I don't want to go into the steel. Well, let's see. Okay, I got to be getting close. All right, let me get a hammer and a punch. See if we get it out. Success. Nothing a little leverage can't take care of. I'm gonna go grab some more bushings and some pins, and we'll see if we can I don't know, put this thing together. So I'm just double checking because they are all GM. What's this one say? Upper, lower, upper, lower, upper, lower, and upper, lower. Okay, I did buy extra bushings in case I needed them. I'm hoping the bushings that we came with the kit are all I need. Doesn't look like there's a whole bunch of difference between them, but let's grab a couple. See if we can succeed. It's weird because on the upper, maybe that's how they wear. The upper hinges have the holes for the bushings, but the lower ones do not. They're just the pins. Is that normal? I'm not sure. Okay, let me put some pins, some bushings in there. I'm going to clean that up first and face the devil. Okay, banging this in with the hammer does not seem productive. So I'm going to try something that may or may not work. Hang on, I'm going to prop you guys down here. Let you guys angle up to see. Right over here, do you see my finger? Yeah, all right. I'm hoping that I can compress it, at least to get them started, with a pair of vice grips. Ooh, I like that. Yep. Yeah, that's a good way to start it. That's sweet. Like pressing them on sort of thing. Pretty close. Okay, I've gotten it in as far as I can. It's touching the bottom, so I do need to come on, in you go. Oh, we're winning. Probably messing it up. Okay, sweet. Now I gotta do the bottom. I will repeat that process. Oh, you're all crooked. Can you see me now? I'm gonna repeat that process and I'll bring you back. Well, that went in surprisingly easy. All right, let me come up with, is this gonna work? Let me see. Oh, that might be just high enough. All right, I'm gonna put you guys back down and I'm gonna let you guys slowly watch me fight with the door. I am not too smart. Let me show you this. The reason why you can't find bushings on the door, on the truck, is because they're on the door. Duh. Okay, let me change those bushings. That, I mean, I'm not done. I gotta put the spring in. I gotta put that pin in more. But that was concerningly easy. But now I gotta see if the door. Holy Batman! I have a door, dudes. That's awesome. I'm like super excited. Okay. Let me get that pin drifted in properly. I'll feed that wire in so we don't wreck them. And then we'll do that door. Wicked. Hey, we have a door. And it even closes. I mean, the gaps aren't great. I'm definitely gonna have to adjust the fender. Look, I've got a tight gap, I got a huge gap, and I got a little gap. So I'll have to loosen and push and pry, but I knew that was coming with putting this door, but when I put the fenders on. But that's freaking awesome. Okay, let's bring our little magic stool over. Let's change some bushings and see if we can put a door on this side. Awesome. This door works even better. Well, maybe not. It closes nice. You got a bit of a gap up top on the door. How are we looking here? Same thing, right? Gonna have to adjust this fender. Get a little creative. I'm gonna go get some new pins for my door panels. I'll have to put the springs in that hold the door right back here. There's a spring here. Where is it? I have it. Anyways, I got to fight to put those in. But I think I'm going to call this a little victory. Because I got doors. Yes! This thing's really coming around. It's fantastic. I'm actually a little nervous because sometimes when I get some good luck, it leads to bad luck. But anyways, let's put... we're going to make a list of what we got to get to finish the doors. I have to sort out all the electronics because some of them, I don't remember which was. One of the sides, I think this window doesn't go down. That one does. But this power lock works and that one did not. So I'd really like for them all to work. I'd work everything to work properly. So we're gonna have to do some diagnosis. Might have to call in a little help on that from my special friend, my wizard friend Tom, because he did such a good job on my cluster. Well, with the doors on, I'm feeling pretty ambitious and excited. So what I've done is I fluid filmed some of them are ugly with the fluid film black. Highly recommend it, by the way. Great product. Makes it look pretty. And I think I'm going to take a kick at the can and throw that back onto here. So if you guys are up for the entertainment of watching a guy by himself try to manhandle a truck bed and throw it on, stick around. Here we go. Well, I think that's the epitome of sketchy and pretty dumb, to be honest with you. Don't do it my way, do it the right way. But I mean, I gotta get it's not quite sitting right yet. I'll have to get under it and take a peek. But golly, woo! We got ourselves a pick-em-up truck. Look at that. That's awesome. Oh, I tell you, if there wasn't quite as much snow as there was outside, which you guys saw, I would totally put the wheels on it and bring it out. But man, I'm excited. I am excited. That's awesome. Okay, let me goof around a little bit with this, see if I can get it lined up a little better, and I'll bring you back. Well, that's a whole lot better. Now the lines are making sense. They match up. I got to figure out my distance yet. Turns out I did something really smart. In order to keep track of the bolts to hold the bed down, I put them in the bed. So when I drop the bed back onto the truck, the bolts are sticking out holding it up. So I had to like lift the bed again, take the bolts out. You're crooked. Why are you guys crooked? Anyways, there. So, whew. We'll have to do some cosmetic work, right? We knew that in the beginning. That's okay. That's gonna be will it straighten out that way? No, we're gonna stay this way. Okay. Man, look at that. It's a pick-em-up truck again. Sweet. All right. I think that's gonna call it for today. Oh, there you are. I'm gonna call that a win. I'm gonna call that a huge win because we've got doors, we've got a bed, and yeah, the little fine-tuned stuff, you guys don't care about that. You don't need to see me put tail lights in and stuff. So I'll fasten this bad boy down, get it all pretty, and bring you along after to show you what we've got. Listen, guys, you all have a great day. And gals, I keep forgetting gals. I was reminded of that not long ago. So guys and gals, I appreciate you guys, you folks, and I hope you have a great day.